Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Solution 76. Hey, I'm super excited because I'm bringing brand new December update working code, Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. Trust me, these codes are stronger than developers just dropped the December update. It comes with a brand new winter forest holiday skins, limited times, diamond rewards, special boosts, so you definitely don't want to miss any of today's codes. Some of these codes might expire at any moment. And yes, there is a secret December code in this video. So don't even think about skipping. Wanting the giveaway? Drop your Roblox username in the comments. If any code doesn't work, comment your name again. I'll personally help you fix. Of course, smash that